Most people don't care how fast a car is once it's used. They care whether it can still be trusted at 300,000 kilometers. When you look at real-world high-mileage cars, the same names keep showing up again and again. Simple Toyotas and Nissans that just refuse to die when they're maintained properly. In this video, we're talking about the models that are quietly built to last. The ones that delivery drivers, taxi owners, and long-distance commuters rely on every single day without drama. If you just want a car you can drive for years instead of constantly repairing, these are the ones you should be watching for. Mechanics see the 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla as a true 300,000-kilometer warrior because it's built around a very simple formula. A small, under-stressed four-cylinder engine, a basic automatic or manual gearbox, and very few complicated electronics to fail. All over the world, these cars are used as taxis, daily commuters, and workhorses on rough roads, and they just keep showing up with huge mileage and original engines. It's not exciting, but that's the point. The Corolla doesn't tempt you with fragile luxury features or complex turbo systems. It just delivers reliable, predictable transportation. As long as you change the oil, keep the cooling system healthy, and fix small issues before they grow, this generation Corolla can quietly march past 300,000 kilometers while still feeling tight enough for daily use, which is exactly why so many owners swear by it. The 2011 to 2015 Nissan Altima can also be a 300,000-kilometer hero, but this one rewards careful choosing. Its four-cylinder engines are tough and efficient, and many of them can handle very high mileage. But the continuously variable transmission, CVT, is the key factor. When the car has been driven gently, had its fluid changed on schedule, and hasn't been overheated or abused, the Altima becomes a comfortable, quiet sedan that will happily rack up long highway kilometers with low fuel consumption. The seats are known for being soft and supportive. The cabin is roomy, and the ride is tuned to absorb bad pavement instead of punishing you. If you pick a clean, well-maintained example with good records and a CVT that drives smoothly, you can get a lot of life out of these cars, making them a smart budget choice for high-mileage drivers who want comfort without constant repair bills. The 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry is one of the safest bets on the used market if your goal is to drive past 300,000 kilometers with minimal drama, because it combines a very durable powertrain with a body and interior that age slowly. Most cars in this generation use a naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine that is barely working hard in normal driving, paired with a conventional automatic transmission that has been refined over years of Toyota use. On the road, the Camry is calm and comfortable, soft enough to handle rough roads, quiet enough to keep long journeys relaxing, and stable enough that you never feel like the car is struggling. Inside, the controls are simple, and the materials are tough rather than delicate, which means the car still feels decent even after years of use. With basic maintenance and sensible driving, it's completely realistic to see these Camrys cross 300,000 kilometers and keep going. For drivers who want something a bit more powerful but still capable of big mileage, the 2009 to 2014 Nissan Maxima is an underrated option. Marketed as a four-door sports car, it uses a strong V6 engine that has proven itself in many Nissan models. And when cared for properly, it can handle a lot of highway kilometers without losing its smoothness. Like the Altima, many Maximas use a CVT, so the trick is again to pick a car with a clean service history and a transmission that feels smooth and consistent on test drives. In return, you get a sedan that is comfortable, quiet, and quick enough to make long trips feel effortless. The interior offers good space and solid materials, and the car's heavier, more planted feel gives drivers confidence at speed. For someone who wants power and comfort with the potential to reach 300,000 kilometers, a well-maintained Maxima is a smart, often overlooked choice. The 2010 to 2013 Toyota RAV4 is a favorite among people who need a small SUV that can realistically survive past 300,000 kilometers, because it combines SUV practicality with Corolla-style toughness. Under the hood, you'll usually find a proven four-cylinder engine and a conventional automatic transmission, sometimes driving all four wheels through a simple, robust AWD system. That setup is perfect for rougher roads, bad weather, and mixed city highway use. The RAV4's interior is simple and hard-wearing, with big windows that give the driver excellent visibility, which makes it an easy vehicle to drive even in tight traffic. Owners use these for everything from family duty to light commercial work and long cross-country trips, and high-mileage examples are common. With regular servicing and sensible driving, it's the kind of SUV that can quietly push beyond 300,000 kilometers without feeling like it's on its last legs. For drivers who need something tougher from the Nissan side, the 2010 to 2013 Pathfinder from the older, more truck-like generation is built for hard use and high mileage. Underneath, it uses a body-on-frame design, similar to a traditional SUV or pickup, combined with a strong V6 engine and a gearbox designed to handle towing, off-road work, and heavy loads. That makes it less refined than a car-based crossover, but much more suited to people who drive on rough roads, tow frequently, or carry a lot of gear. High-mileage Pathfinders used by families, outdoor workers, and off-road enthusiasts show that the basic mechanical package is capable of going very far when maintained properly. The interior is straightforward and durable, and although it may show some cosmetic wear with age, the important parts, engine, transmission, frame, can still be in excellent shape well past 300,000 kilometers if the vehicle has been looked after. The 2008 to 2013 Toyota Highlander is basically a Camry that went to the gym and added 2 extra seats. And that's great news if you want a 3-row SUV that can realistically reach 300,000 kilometers. Many models are powered by a strong V6 engine that has been used across Toyota's lineup, paired with a traditional automatic gearbox designed for smooth, long-term use. On the road, the Highlander feels more like a big car than a truck. The ride is comfortable, the steering is light, and the cabin is quiet enough to keep kids and adults happy on long trips. Families use them for school runs, holidays, and towing small trailers, so high-mileage examples are common, and many are still running well. The interior is practical and simple, with materials that don't fall apart easily. With regular oil changes, transmission service, and basic suspension maintenance, this Highlander generation is well known for crossing the 300,000 kilometer mark while still feeling strong. Balancing out the Toyota pickup side, the 2008 to 2013 Nissan Navara, known as the Frontier in some markets, is another mid-sized truck that can realistically reach 300,000 kilometers with the right care. Available with sturdy 4-cylinder or V6 engines and manual or automatic transmissions, it's designed to handle work duties, towing, and rough terrain without constantly braking. Owners use these trucks for everything from construction and farm work to family transport and long-distance travel, which is why high-mileage examples are so common. The interior is basic but functional, with enough comfort features to make daily driving tolerable without adding fragile luxury tech. As with any work truck, rust and neglect can kill them early, so picking a clean, well-maintained example is crucial. When you do, you get a tough, honest pickup that's capable of pushing well past 300,000 kilometers while still showing up every morning ready to work.